This is ENME 351, Lab 3, Displaying Data with Processing by Garrett Schweitzer. This is pre-lab. For number 1, the resistances are all the same, so it's going to be an even drop across every resistor of 5 thirds, 1.66. So we got VA 3.33, VB 1.667, and then ground is 0. For number 2, we're split. The string is being passed delineated by a comma, so we can't have it delineated by page break when it tries to break it up. It's taking it all as one big string into the array, so we need to change that to a comma to break up the string. Number 3, the third and fourth position are with in x and y of the ellipse, so that's basically diameter here. So split that in half. We're going to have a radius of 5 pixels for each circle. This is my demo of exercise 1, question 1. Potentiometer will... They will both act basically like a game controller. I can move in the x and y. Left is x and y is x. Y is, or right is y axis. This is exercise 1, problem 2. I've changed the shape of the ellipse to be shorter and wider, and also made it blue. This is exercise 1, problem 3. I don't have an issue with the circles running out of bounds. This is exercise 1, problem 4. I already filled out the plot, but I modified the code so that I'm getting black, yellow up at the top right, white at the bottom right, and blue bottom left. This is exercise 1, question 5. As you can see, my X potentiometer doesn't do anything. My Y potentiometer will move up and down. We are plotting a shape every 50 milliseconds, and it does clear the screen after after it reaches the right. I think that's what the question intended. Otherwise, I'm not sure. It redraws it every time. And how I did the timing was I did the uh, current runtime minus the runtime when the loop last executed, which is greater than or equal to the number of milliseconds that we're looking for, which is 50 in this case. And if that's true, it's going to go through and plot another shape. So it'll plot something every 50 milliseconds until it reaches the end of the picture. This is exercise 2. And I'm going to let's see. I have a black dot in my screen at the center of my erase mark just so I can better actually see where my cursor is, because I'm just had to remove the border so that I could actually keep track of the mark. Otherwise it can't really tell where you're going. I have to be careful while touching the pins, because otherwise this will just keep going and run away. And this, by the way, will not run out of the border. Get over nice and far. Oh, it's the last shape. Go.